In this video, we are going to take a look at the Gator Frameworks Microphone Quick Release. These quick releases are super nice for mounting to a Studio Armor mic stand to allow you to quickly remove and swap microphones from one stand to another. I've tried several brands of quick releases for microphones, and this Gator one is my favorite because it has the least amount of play once a microphone is mounted. And I really like the red collar on this because if you see it, that tells you the microphone is not fully locked into place. To use the quick release, first thread one side onto the mic arm and then thread the other side onto your microphone. To attach your microphone, pull the sleeve down and snap the microphone in. To release, do the same, but remove the microphone. With the Shure SM7B and other microphones where the XLR jack is mounted by the threads, this acts as a great extender to add space for the XLR cable. Overall, this Gator Frameworks quick release is solid but expensive at $25 for one full adapter. Gator also sells a 5-pack of microphone inserts for $38, which is great if you have a large collection of microphones, but if you're trying to put these on a bunch of stands, they will cost you more than the Gravity and On-Stage versions. If you're interested in buying a Gator quick release, I have links in the description below.